Number 17. A family spends 2/5 of its money on food each month. What percentage of their income is spent on other expenses? Pay attention to it again. A family spends 2/5 of their money or income on food each month. What percentage of their income is spent on other expenses? So let's reason it out first before we do anything else. We would need to find what percentage is spent on everything else after they have spent on food. So we have two approaches. We could work out what they spend on food and subtract that from 100%, and we would be left with what they spend on other things. Okay, let's take that approach first. So here we have what is 2/5 of 100. So 5 into itself one time, 5 into the 100 20 times, numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 2 times 20 would give us 40 over 1, which in this case now is 40%. So they spend 40% of their money on food. Now, we would subtract to find the difference. If they spend 40% on food, they would have 60% left for other expenses. So our answer is equal to 60%. That's one way of looking at it. Let's look at it in another way. If we know that they spend 2/5 of their money on food, what fraction would they have left for other things, considering that the whole must be 5 out of 5? Okay, so they would have 3/5 left for other things. Okay, because 2/5 and 3/5 would give you the whole. So we could solve it by saying 3/5 multiplied by 100 over 1, and that would give us the percentage. Again, 5 into 5 one time, 5 into 100 20 times. Numerator by numerator would be 3 times 20. Denominator by denominator, 1 by 1 would give us 1. And our answer again is 60%. So, two approaches, same answer.